What is the cardinal number of given set? For every set, one number is associated, which is a cardinal number. Look at here. I have a set A, and which is having elements A, B, C, and D. Another set B, which contains element 1, 2, 3. Another set C, which contains elements A, E, I, O, and U. Now count the number of elements in a given set. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So, number of elements in a given set is known as cardinal number. It is denoted by n of A. So, n of A is 4. Similarly, you can write what is the cardinal number of set B? That is the n of B, which is 3. What is the cardinal number of C? Which is n of C, and which has 5 elements. That's it. We have already learned union and intersection of given two sets. But sometimes certain questions may be asked to you where you need to answer using set theory. Means I have a set A which is having element, and set B, A and B. A is having some elements, that is A, B, C, D and E. B is having F, G, H and I. Now my question is that how many elements does A have? So number of elements in given set A. I can see here, count number of elements from set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A is having 5 elements. Now count the number of elements from set B. That is n of B. And the counting comes again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, because this is a part of B. 6. Now my question is that how many elements are there in A union B? Means overall together how many elements are there? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 9 elements. Try to tell you, A contains 5 elements, B contains 6 elements, but the union contains only 9 elements. 5 plus 6, 11. So number of elements together must be 11, but here is the number 9. Where is that 2? The 2 is there, which is common. So D and E are counted in A as well as B separately. तो D and A तो काउंटिंग इसमें भी आएगा, B में भी काउंटिंग होगा, इसलिए रिपीटेड काउंटिंग, यूनियन में हम तो रिपीट काउंट नहीं करते हैं, तो इसलिए देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. सो दिस एडिशन कम्स 11, but actual union contains 9 elements. I want to put relation between these three things. What is number of element? So number of element in A union B. I will take number of elements from A plus number of elements from B. But that is not right thing, because A contains 5, B contains 6, total becomes 11 and actual union contains 9. जो repeat count हुआ है means what we call that repetition, that is a intersection. जो common element है उसको minus करेगा. So number of element which are common means intersection, A intersection B. So all the elements from set A plus all the elements from set B minus common element from set A and B, that gives you the correct number, how many elements are there in the union. So this formula we can use to find the total number of element in a combination union. We can apply the same concept for 3 sets. If I have 3 sets, 1, 2 and 3, we can generalize same concept. So what is the common? N of A union B union C. So number of element in A plus number of element in B plus number of element in C. Now what we are supposed to do? Repeated counting we have to cancel. So this is a B, C. So what is common in A and B? I will subtract. So minus, I will subtract here, number of element in A intersection B. ए बी में जो भी कॉमन है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. नो बी सी में जो भी कॉमन होगा वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट बी इंटरसेक्शन सी वो भी सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. लुक एट दिस वेन डायग्राम केयरफुली. देन ए सी में सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. ए सी में जो भी कॉमन होगा दैट इज ऑल्सो सब्ट्रैक्टेड. नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन ए इंटरसेक्शन सी. लेकिन ये जो तीनों का कॉमन रीजन है, द कॉमन फॉर ऑल थ्री, this region is subtracted 3 times. It is subtracted here, here and here. So this region is not counted anywhere. तो उसको फिर से add करना होगा. So the common in all we have to add again. So what is the common in all? A intersection B intersection C. What is the common in all three? As we have already studied number of elements in union, that is number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in common. Common means A intersection B, isn't it? So what we'll do, I want the number of elements in intersection. How many elements are common there in given two sets? So I will shift this term to the left side, so it becomes number of elements in A intersection B is equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B, and this union transferred on that side, so number of elements in A union B. So as you know the meaning, intersection का meaning क्या? Number of elements which are common in A and B, read as a and union का meaning, number of elements which are either in A, B or both, so union or optional. Sometime the question may be asked, number of elements in only A. So only A, what does it mean? We'll discuss with the help of Venn diagram. Suppose we have set A and B. Here is A and B. What does it mean by only A? This region. This is the region. But how to write with the symbol? Only A का meaning क्या? A but not B. Means I can write A but not B. Not B means difference. So either you have to find this, or A, we want A but we don't want B, so B complement. So A but means and, so A and B complement. So calculating this and this means calculating number of elements in only A. So look at this wording. What wording is used here? What is the related Venn diagram and what is the related expression for that? Sometime they may ask you how many elements are there in A or B, or count all the elements which are at least in one set. Means कम से कम किसी एक सेट में तो होना चाहिए. Means दोनों में हुआ तो भी चलेगा. So what does it mean? Again, related Venn diagram. This is, as I told you, or means किसी एक में, so that is a union. Means A में हुआ तो भी चलेगा, कॉमन हुआ, या B में हुआ, so it is a union. So what does it mean? Number of elements in A union B. Sometimes the words are like this, A and B, or in all, in both. So in that case we have to draw Venn diagram like this. we want elements which are in A and B, means common, means both, means this region. And as you know that common means number of element in A intersection B. So we can read those words carefully, whether it is at least one, both, or A but not B, and according to that we can draw Venn diagram, and according to that we can calculate the number of element in the given. What is the meaning of this region? I have set A, B and C. How will we read it in word, and how can we express in the form of sets? Look at the region. The member from this region means it is a member of only A, means that member would not be in B and C. So we have cancelled B and C. So it is only A. So what does it mean? Only A in words. Can we express it in the symbolic form? Only A means A but not what? We don't want B and C. We don't want B and C both. So B union C. A but not B union C. Or you can say A not B not C. Or you can write A but not B, A, B and C. Like this also you can express. But while counting, how can we write in numbers? If I want only A, so that is only A, then number of elements can be written as, we will take union of all three, A union B union C. From that minus the union of 2, n of B union C. So like this also we can count the elements. We will discuss this example, which is a practical based example. Read this example carefully. In a class of 50 students, so total students in a class 50, 30 likes cricket, whereas 25 likes tennis. Each students play at least one game. Means वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ बच्चे नहीं है कि जो ये भी नहीं लाइक करते और वो भी नहीं लाइक करते, कोई तो एक गेम हर कोई स्टूडेंट्स प्ले करता है. So what is the question? Then how many students like to play both cricket and tennis? Okay, both. So what is the given 50? What does it mean 50 in said language? All students. और वो स्टूडेंट्स एक तो ए में होंगे या बी में होंगे, isn't it? So ए और बी में 50 है. और का मतलब क्या होता है? यूनियन, ए यूनियन बी. सो ए फॉर से क्रिकेट एंड टेनिस के लिए सेट हमने बी यूज किया, isn't it? So number of players or students in A union B यहाँ पे 50 है. Then number of students who plays cricket means A 30 likes, and number of students who play only tennis B. So how many students are there like that? 25, isn't it? So I have number of elements in A union B, number of elements in A, number of elements. What they have asked us, who likes to play both cricket and tennis. Both का मतलब क्या होता है? Intersection, common. So we want to find n of A intersection B. As we have discussed the formula, number of elements which are common. We want this A intersection B, this region. So we will take all elements, from that we will minus A and B. Okay, here number of elements in A intersection B is number of element in A plus number of element in B and minus number of element in A union B. This is the formula. Substitute values. How many elements are there in A? 30 elements. B 25, and A union B given 50. So your final answer is 30 plus 25. This is 55 minus 50, and 5 students are there who are playing both cricket as well as tennis.